Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, come back at you with some more wonderful information. Today we're going to talk about downdraft cooktops versus regular cooktops. What I mean by downdraft is, if you look at this range here, this is a gas cooktop, and whenever you have a gas cooktop, you have to have a way to suck out the fumes, okay? What this does, it actually pulls the fumes in and down and away from going up, because if you're on an island and you have nothing over it, you have no ventilation. But if you come over here, I'll show you what I'm talking about the vent-wise. See, this is your vent. This comes down out here, it vents it here, and then it vents it out of your house. Now, if you have a regular cooktop, okay, we'll say we'll use these gas over here, okay? This is the gas cooktop. See, this is not a downdraft. This is just a regular gas, so all the fumes are going to go up. So, but being a gas, you need to make sure you can pull that out of the house so you don't have any issues with CO2 or anything along those lines. So, if you do have let's say you put this in place for your regular stove, okay? You're going to have a vent system, something along these lines, in over your cooktop, okay? This is the ventilation that will actually pull all the stuff out of the house, make your house clear. But if you don't have one, then you may want to think about, like I said, buy these downdrafts here. These will do the same thing, and they'll take it out of your house, and you'll be good to go. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like it. You folks have a wonderful day. Come back next week for some more wonderful information. Bye.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.